YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video, as y'all read by the title, I'm coming to y'all with a wig install. This ain't just no regular wig install, y'all. Your girl actually applied this wig with some glue, and this is a bomb bob wig from Westkiss hair, y'all. I purchased this hair when they was having like a little sale on one of their bob wigs, and I thought that I would just do a video for it. So y'all, I haven't did my hair like in a minute with the whole ball cap and all that on my channel, so bear with me. I need to get back to it, y'all, because I'm a little rusty. But y'all just see me doing a ball cap. I know most people are laying their ball caps with the glue now, the Arrogante way, but it don't even matter, y'all, because I'm over Ghost Bond. It really doesn't do it for me personally. So like, if y'all got any new glue, or not even new, if y'all just got some lace glue recommendations, let me know. I wanted this wig to last, so that is why I applied it with glue. Y'all know I've been feeling my little got to be glue spray, blow dry, and call it a day. But today I decided to do the little ball cap method or whatever. I'm just going in with my lace tint. I'm going to be tinting this wig. Y'all, this wig is from Westkiss hair, of course. I did purchase it with my own coins. This was one of their like limited time type of bob wigs. They usually quite often have like a limited time sale on like different wigs that they choose, and this one just happened to be a bob wig, and it is a middle part. It was like the T part type of unit, and it was 10 inches. I don't think I'm gonna have a link just because, like I said, they're usually limited time, but I follow them on Instagram. So yeah, go do that if you want to like check in on when they have like a flash sale on their bob units. But yeah, y'all, that is basically what this was. It was only $50, 10 inches, and this hair was bomb, y'all. The only thing is that it was super dense. So y'all just see me plucking it right now. With the unit being a T-part lace type of wig, it didn't have much lace on it, and it did not come pre-plucked. So I tried my best, y'all, to pluck and pluck. I really felt like I was doing something, but when I combed that hair back, it looked like I did much of nothing. So I was just working on thinning the front area of the wig out. It was a decent amount of parting space to work with. You still get the ear-to-ear look. It just wasn't, you know, it wasn't your typical 13x4, 13x6 lace frontal unit. But for $50, she was bomb, and I was not complaining. And this hair was really good. So yeah, y'all just see me tweezing and trying to thin out the hairline as best as I can. By the way, this lace was bomb on this unit. Y'all will see when I cut it off, I put it up to my skin. And yeah, this lace was absolutely bomb. Love the lace. The wig did come with your typical construction, a few combs, and an adjustable band in the back. So that's always nice. It fit real nice and snug to my head. And yeah, it was just a middle part. Nothing else you can really do with that. So y'all just gonna see me work on this wig. Like I said, I am gonna be using Ghost Bond in this video, and your girl is ready to try new lace glue. I ain't been using glue in a minute, but like I said, I wanted this wig to last, so I went ahead and used Ghost Bond, y'all. I think the only problem that I have with Ghost Bond is that I have very oily skin, and I noticed that by the time I'm done using Ghost Bond, or my wig has been on for a few days, I don't know if it's the oils mixing in with my hairline or what. I do clean my hairline with alcohol every time I get ready to apply a wig, whether I do the ball cap method or not. Which this was a real bad ball cap method, but we just gonna ignore that. I told y'all I'm rusty, and I gotta get back to doing this. But yeah, y'all just see me doing, I think I did like 2 or 3 layers of Ghost Bond. But yeah, y'all, like after I wear it for a couple days and tie my hair down, it gets like kind of gummy. And like I said, I don't know if it's because it's mixing in with the oils from my, like the natural oils from my skin, or what it is. So yeah, long story short, I'm just ready to try a new lace glue, child. Point blank, period. Or another type of lace adhesive. So yeah, definitely let me know some, y'all, in the comments down below. But y'all just see me, I blow dried that for a little bit. It wasn't fully clear, whatever. I just laid it down, and I'm just pushing the lace in and combing, you know, doing the back comb motion. Your girl is rusty. Like, I really haven't installed a wig like this in a minute. But yeah, now I'm using my edge brush for some extra assistance, and I'm just brushing that hair into that glue. And then I'm gonna get ready to tie my hair down with an elastic band after I finish brushing it all in. Now that I'm thinking about it, y'all, when I do apply my Ghost Bond, most of the time I actually don't like wait for it to get fully clear. Cause y'all, in the past, when my glue has got fully clear, I felt like it was dry and it didn't stick. So like, I don't know, is that why it's getting gummy on me? like after a couple days of wearing it, and I blow dry it. You know, I blow dry it clear and dry and everything. I don't know. I feel like it's my oily skin, so I'm just ready to experiment with another glue because I never really have. So yeah, I'm using my elastic band just to melt that lace in, and y'all saw me cut the ear tabs off with some scissors. I let that sit on my head for a few minutes, and I took it off, and it was looking pretty decent, y'all. I feel like I could have plucked some more, but she was looking pretty decent. And y'all know how I be like, all I care about is the final results coming out good. That's all I ever be caring about when I do my hair, especially my own hair. Like, some things underneath could be a little crazy, but as long as the final result looks good, that's all I be caring about. So now I put some extra glue on the ends, like where my ears were, because I really didn't go further down enough in those areas to secure that over there. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just cutting some slits into the lace. Y'all could see that lace blended in with my hair, with my skin tone. I mean, really, really well. But I'm just cutting the slits in to make it a little bit easier to cut, like I'm doing now with the razor comb. And yeah, she's looking pretty okay. Y'all saw my face. I know it's sped up, but I was like, okay. That's what I was talking about with the lace. I kind of sped this up just so the video won't be super long. But yeah, I'm about to just cut this lace off, and then we about to get into the baby hairs. I think I plucked a little bit more before I got into the baby. Yep, I'm doing it right now. I don't really recommend that, but I was looking at it and I was just like, it's still giving wig. But after I did the baby hairs, it fell into, it all came together. Now y'all just see me parting off my hair and making sure the middle part is real straight. And I'm also going to be going through and pulling some of the hairs out just to perfect that part a little bit in the middle. And I'm just adjusting the wig a little bit. I was not feeling it for a second, y'all. I had to keep working, because y'all could see like it was really dense and it was kind of giving wig. And I usually like to really pluck the mess out of my wigs. So now I'm just parting off the baby hairs. I'm about to get into those. Y'all already know I don't too much like it really explaining the baby hairs. I feel like it's always something that's just better seen than said, in my opinion. But I just part them off. I cut them with a razor, and I actually did just started going the arrogant way with curling the baby hairs. It's really smart. It works. It's helpful. I like it. And sometimes I start with them a little bit longer, because you can always cut down, but you can never get the hair back once you cut it off. So yeah, I think, yep, I'm showing y'all my Baby Bliss mini flat irons, which I really like, y'all. And I think I found those at Ross. It was on the sticker. I literally just looked at it and forgot. It's definitely Ross, and they was really cheap, and they bomb. They get super hot, and they just the mini ones, just so I can curl. I bought them specifically for curling my baby hairs, y'all. So yeah, they started off a little long, but I'm gonna definitely go through as I see fit to cut them shorter. And I'm going to be laying them with some mousse. I think I maneuvered with some, like, went back and forth basically with some mousse and either my black Got To Be glue gel. Yeah, it was my black Got To Be glue gel, I think, this time. If it's not the Got To Be glue gel, it's the Gorilla Snot. If it's not neither of them, it's just the mousse. Or sometimes I use the mousse to, while I'm using either one of those products, to like loosen it up. So yeah, y'all just see me going back and forth. These take a minute. Baby hairs, y'all know, they take a minute. Get them how you like. Play with them until they look how you want them to. I was jamming out, so don't mind me. I was definitely jamming out, listening to my music while I was doing my hair. So therapeutic, by the way. But yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do my baby hairs. So when I was finished, I did do the sideburns off camera, and I just tied them down again with that elastic band. And now I am ready to just get back into the hairstyling part and just flat ironing it. So I'm going in with my flat irons. They was like on 370, and I'm just flat ironing the hair. I always give my bobs just a little slight bump because that's the look that I like. But yeah, y'all, this hair really was bomb. I really liked it. It was flowing, it was going. Y'all seen it in the beginning of this video, and y'all finna see it now. And I did add a little bit of my care, like hair silk and shine, whatever it's called. It's in a spray bottle by care. I use my care wax stick, and y'all will see all of that in a little bit. But I'm just doing the styling process, and I'm singing, jamming once again. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna be flat ironing the hair and hot combing the top of the wig out. Something else that I need to start doing, y'all, is cutting the combs out of the wigs. Honestly, I don't like combs like that. I don't use them. Like, rarely I will use the back comb to secure my wig, but other than that, like the top two combs, they can honestly just add bulkiness to your wig, and they kind of unnecessary, especially when you got a ball cap on or a wig cap in general. Like, there's no comb going into your hair, so there's no point of having it. But anyway, y'all seen me go in with the wax stick and the got to be glue spray on the top of my head, and I'm just hot combing. It really wasn't super hot, so yeah, I just waited till they got hotter and continued the styling process. Yeah, I'm basically wrapping up the styling process, but I do want to say I did buy this wig with my own coins again. But I did want to let y'all know, just stay up to date with their Instagram. This video ain't sponsored or nothing like that, but they do post when they have flash sales on their bob units, and they be real cheap. So yeah, definitely get in on it. It was definitely worth the money, and I'm happy I tried them out. Westkiss Hair has definitely been a company that I've been wanting to get my hands on and try out, so I'm glad I did. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this wig, because I definitely am looking at this video all over again. Like, look how silky, and just look how much it was moving. Like, look at it, look at it. But all right, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video.